Namaste students, this is Sanjay Nath. Today's session is on grid referencing, session 3. In this topic we learn about 4-grid reference. With the help of 4-grid reference one can locate certain features on topographical map. From this session onwards we'll be using topographical map in the class. First understand what are the ways of expressing location on map. Absolute location and relative location. We'll take the relative location first. It can be located using landmarks or nearby features. For example, behind Big Bazaar, opposite Shiv Temple or near Patel Pan. This is one example. An envelope with an address with some reference point like street address, postal code and city and state code. Absolute location. Absolute location can be expressed using grid system or latitude and longitude. As you can see, Washington DC on map is shown or pointed with the help of latitude and longitude. 39 degree 30 minutes north, 77 degree 25 minutes west. Absolute location is more accurate than the previous one. Now let's have a look how topographical map or any map represent latitude and longitude. As you can see, bold black color vertical line drawn on this equidistant cylindrical map projection, this is called longitude or prime meridian. One horizontal black color line is drawn on this map is called equator or latitude. There are many other vertical and horizontal lines are drawn on this map. These are all latitude and longitudes. As you can see, these vertical dashed lines are longitudes and these horizontal dashed lines are latitude. Now how these latitudes and longitudes are shown on topographical map? We'll take one extract from topographical map. As you can see, vertical black lines shown on topographical map, these are called longitude. Horizontal black color line drawn on topographical map, these are called latitudes. As you can see, the value of this longitude is also mentioned over here, 72 degree 30 minutes. And the value of latitude is also mentioned here, 24 degree 45 minutes. There are other grid systems used in topographical maps are called easting and northings. As you can see, red color lines are drawn on topographical map. These lines are vertical and horizontal. As you can see, vertical line drawn over here with certain values written here like 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. Now you can see these values are increasing towards east direction on topographical map. So these vertical lines are called easting because they are incremental towards east direction on map. As you can see, horizontal red lines are also drawn on topographical map, 24, 25, 26. These are the values of horizontal red lines. These horizontal red lines are called northings because the value is increasing towards north direction on topographical maps. Now northing and easting are very simpler grid system on topographical map. We will be using this grid system to locate features on topographical map. Let's see the comparative view of eastings and northings. Eastings are vertical red lines running north to south and northings are horizontal red lines running east to west. The value of easting and northing starts from 00 to 99 and each red color block drawn on topographical map is of 2 by 2 centimeter apart and is of 1 kilometer distance it covers. The value increased towards east direction for easting and value increased towards north direction for northings. Comparison between two grid systems, eastings and northings. As you can see on this map extract, the red color vertical lines are representing easting and red color horizontal lines are representing northings. As you can see, between each easting the distance is equal. Even between each northings the distance is equal. We call it equidistant. The distance between each northing and easting is of 2 by 2 centimeters. Now we'll have a comparison between latitude and longitude on topographical map. Longitudes are drawn on topographical map is vertical, as you can see. Between each longitude the distance is not equal and they are not parallel to each other because it tapers towards the pole. Latitudes are drawn parallel to each other and the larger the distance between each latitude is 222 centimeters. Now what is the conclusion? Both the grid system like latitude and longitude and easting and northings, they do not overlap. System of easting and northings are more accurate on Toposheet to locate places. System of easting and northings is more simpler than latitude and longitude. Now we'll learn how to find foregrid reference on topographical map. First two digits are easting 76. They're all vertical red lines on topographical map. Next two digits are northing. For example, 32. Horizontal red line. Now by convention, we always take the lesser value to locate places on topographical map. Now if you see this grid, this is of 2 by 2 centimeter grid on topographical map. If you want to locate the foregrid reference of ford, inn or the bridge called B and the C point or the halt, it would be easting first 76 and the northing will come second. And what is the northing? 32. So what is the foregrid reference of this? All the features in this 2 by 2 centimeter block? It is 76, 32. You always take the lesser value. How to express the location on topographical map using foregrid reference? Some more example. We want to locate Anthroli village using foregrid reference. As you see, there is a black color box been highlighted. We'll take easting first. So what is the value mentioned over here? 95. We'll take the northing second. What is the value mentioned over here? 76. So diagonally from this point at 90 degree the Anthroli village is there. So what would be the foregrid reference of Anthroli? Yes, you're right. It is 95, 76. We'll take another example. Location of Ikhatpura village highlighted with the help of black color square. What would be the easting and northing? Yes, you're right. Easting is 93. This is what the line is. And northing is 76. It's forming a 90 degree here. So the answer is 93, 76. In this manner, we'll able to locate places on topographical map using foregrid reference. Thank you for watching the presentation.